Welcome, sir.
PS ICT John Tanui, African Director Agnes Githaiya. We have Managing Director Emerging Markets Alex, to invite a Kenyan creator
from Kenya, and I am
that of the 300 billion we spend every year on advertising, 10% at least should go to local content creators. And I am talking of 30 billion Kenya shillings. So mujipange, you know, get yourselves ready, think big, think smart, and please get yourselves working so that even government can advertise on the space which you occupy, because that is the future of work, as was said by Governor Sakaja. It is the reason why deliberately we are establishing 25,000 hotspots, precisely in every market in Kenya. You should be able to go to the market, access internet free of charge, do your thing, create content, monetize it, and drive the economy of our country from every corner of our republic.